Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one.
Okay, so I know y'all read that title. I will be doing a hair review on Yolissa Hair. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Comment what other type of videos y'all want to see. And yeah, I know y'all like my vlogs, so I'm gonna try to vlog more. And yeah, but this is the hair I have installed right now. It is I gotta get the details for this hair because I get so much hair in the daily, y'all. So it is their Body Wave 13x4 HD lace. I curled it a little bit, and you know, those curls just fell. Surprisingly, it held the curls for about 3 days. Usually curls only hold for a couple of hours, but those curls held for like 3 days. The lace melted really well, as you can see. This hair is so silky, and it just gives like beach vibes, like brunch with the girls or something, or like, I don't know, it's just giving right now. I will be putting the details on this hair in the description box. I'll also put the link to this exact wig that I have in my head right now. So if y'all want this exact wig, y'all can get it. I will put the link in the description box. Okay, y'all, so let's just go ahead and get into the next clip so y'all can see me get this hair installed and see how I got this look. And yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. Boom. like, comment, thumbs up this video. Yeah. Bye.